Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia and this is a simple explanation of not simple things at all, and of course we're talking about crypto. So today we're going to be talking about PancakeSwap and several changes which PancakeSwap going through. I'm going to show you all these changes starting from migration and different annual percentage yield and different kind of staking which is flexible and locked. So as you understood, PancakeSwap is not the same as before, and annual percentage yield is not as high as before.
The world is changed.
So we're going to go through all these changes and you're going to decide yourself, is it still worth to invest in PancakeSwap and stake your tokens there. Once again guys, thank you for joining my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd really like to grow my channel so more people can understand about crypto better. Also, don't forget to like and comment this video. I'll appreciate your support so much. And also don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram where I got verified so you can see more live content right there. So guys, let's start from the top one new is that PancakeSwap completes MasterChef V2 migration. That's what Binance announced and PancakeSwap also announced on Twitter. So this migration happened at the end of April and still it's relevant, so we're going through it. In order to keep earning staking rewards, PancakeSwap users will need to migrate their farms and pool staking to the new MasterChef. The team provided instructions on how to migrate to MasterChef V2. So guys, now we're on the PancakeSwap website and we are on the page which related to migration. So here we can find all the information how to migrate your tokens. So unstake LP tokens to Cake from the old MasterChef contract. So as you remember before, we had IFO Cake, we had Auto Cake and Manual Cake, and I've really enjoyed staking my tokens for Auto Cake, especially with that really delicious annual percentage yield we had, which is 98% from the beginning of August 2021 and recently 60% per year. So Auto Cake was the most convenient staking system here on PancakeSwap, and in order to transfer all your tokens from these old pools you just need to click unstake. So I already unstaked my token and let's go and look at the new system of PancakeSwap. We're going to pools, and as you see, instead of manual cake and auto cake, we just have cake here, stake cake, and we have a flexible staking and lock staking. And for me, PancakeSwap was always the best in DeFi staking because you could always unlock your tokens at any time by your will. And let's look at this annual percentage yield, which is really low right now, only 6%.
What the fuck is this?
I still stake some tokens right here, but I'm continuing staking it because price of PancakeSwap, you can see it's really low, it's $4 only, so I started staking when it was $7. Personally, I'm waiting when PancakeSwap will go back to previous price so I can unstake all these tokens, and maybe I will even sell my PancakeSwap because there is no point to stake it flexible right now. There is only point to do locked staking, and I'm going to show you locked staking. So we can see details right here. We see that my position is flexible and you can convert it to lock. Lock staking users are earning an average of 95 annual percentage yield. More benefits are coming soon. And let's look at the lock staking right here. So your percentage is depend on the duration you will add, 1 week or the most longest duration, 52 weeks. So about 52 weeks, I remember that percentage was completely different. Even 2-3 weeks I saw percentage right here about 240, now it's 130. So this is the main question. You can't trust to this annual percentage yield because technically it will be changing every time and you can't really control this process. Anyway guys, as more people staking their tokens, as less annual percentage yield you will get. So from the beginning, annual percentage yield was really high. It was more more than 200%, and now it went down to 130. And can you imagine how annoyed you will be when you lock your tokens for 52 weeks and the annual percentage yield will continue to drop? So okay, here we can see all the details about annual percentage yield, duration, yield boost, unlock period, and expected ROI. So for example, if you want to stake $1,000 for 52 weeks, that's how much you will get. And remember, annual percentage yield can be changed. So let's go to this article, which says that PancakeSwap native cake token has also been a long-term favorite for crypto passive income funds for over a year. You got that insane APY up to 300% and plus, generous capital growth during DeFi season, and the ability to unstake your token at will, as I said before. So the PancakeSwap dev team overhauled their staking pools in a major smart contract upgrade. For some, the new pool offer even better yield opportunities. For many others, cake will no longer be worth taking. So if you couldn't understand from my video how to migrate your tokens, you will always find this information right here. And let's talk about new pools. As I said before, we have flexible and locked. And flexible offering only 6 to 7 annual percentage yield. So now on first glance, 140% returns sound a lot better than the 65 in the previous contract, right? Isn't it this fantastic for all the passive income fans? So what is the problem, guys? The problem is unless you're locking up your cake for at least 6 months, the annual percentage yield don't justify the high inflation rate. So to get worldwide annual percentage yield 60 or 70%, your cake will be locked for 6 months or longer. So you can't withdraw cake rewards at will to buy other dips. Also, you can withdraw your cake loot to collateralize your positions, and you might miss a chance to take profits during a DeFi market rally. So guys, token growing at 140 per annual percentage yield, your entire loot is growing at 0.24% per day. This means you need 415 cake to generate one new cake each day, which was a pretty neat deal when cake was $40 last year. So as you understood, it's not as perfect as it was before, guys. So guys, this is your choice to continue to stake your cake on PancakeSwap or sell it all. It's just depend on you, but my personal opinion, it's not as perfect as before, and there's no point to lock your tokens for 6 months and more, especially when annual percentage yield is always changing. So as I said before, I will withdraw all my tokens when price will go up at least to previous level, or of course I will wait for higher level, and anyway I'm going to sell my cake. A quick reminder that I'm not financial advisor, and this is just my journey and my opinion which I'm sharing with you on my YouTube channel. So don't take my advices personally and do your own research and make your own decision, guys. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in my next one.